Welcome to Brightic. Today is August 1st, and we back with 5 of the most useful technology tips you can start using right now to work smarter, stay secure, and save time. Tip number 1. Extend your phone's battery life by turning off background activity. On Android, go to Settings gives battery saver. On iPhone, go to Settings gives enable low power mode. Also, reduce screen brightness and turn off apps running in the background to make your battery last longer. Tip 2. Keep your web browsing private. In Chrome or Edge, head to Settings gives privacy and Security gives and enable Do Not Track. You should also regularly clear cookies and browsing history to reduce tracking. This simple step keeps your online habits safer and more private. Tip 3. Turn your phone into a portable document scanner. No need for bulky hardware, just use Google Drive or the Notes app. Tap the plus icon snap a photo, and save it as a PDF. This works great for receipts, contracts, or ID cards. Tip 4. Speed up daily tasks with simple keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Windows plus D to instantly show your desktop. On Mac, Command plus space opens Spotlight for quick searches. And in any browser, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to bring back a tab you closed by accident. Tip 5. Clean up your digital space. Start by organizing files into folders. Delete what you no longer need. On mobile, try the Files by Google app to clean junk and free up space. A clean digital environment boosts performance and reduces stress. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Now let's dive deeper into these tips. First up, extending your phone's battery life. We all hate that moment when our phone is about to die, and we still need to use it. So here are some ways to help your phone's battery last longer. Head over to Settings and then tap on Battery. If you have an iPhone, go to Settings gives battery. Now here comes the magic. On Android, turn on Battery Saver. On iPhone, enable low power mode. Basically, these modes reduce the background activities that drain your battery. Next, check out your brightness levels. Lower brightness means less battery usage. And finally, stop force quitting your apps. Modern phones handle background apps pretty well. On Android, go to Settings gives battery saver. On iPhone, go to Settings gives battery. Pro tip: to save the most battery, turn off things like force quit protection, background app refresh, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're not using them. These settings are usually found in your phone's battery settings or accessibility options. Tip No. 2. Keeping your web browsing private. Imagine browsing the web without anyone tracking your online moves. It's possible. Let's make it happen. Open your browser, then go to Settings. In Chrome or Edge, go to Settings gives privacy and security. Simply turn on the Do Not Track option. This tells websites not to track you across other sites. But wait, there's more. Clear your browsing history regularly. This prevents websites from using your past activity to target ads to you. Think of it like wiping the slate clean. To do this in Chrome or Edge, go to Settings gives privacy and Security gives clear browsing history. Set it to at least once a week to remove all those browsing footprints. Tip 3. Using your phone as a document scanner. Say goodbye to bulky scanners. Your phone's camera can now save the day. Here's how. Open Google Drive. Tap the plus icon. Choose Scan Document, then simply snap a photo of the document you want to save. It's that easy. Your phone will automatically turn it into a PDF. The same goes for iPhone users. Open the Notes app. Create a new note. Tap the camera icon. Choose Scan Documents. And just like magic, it creates a digital copy for you. Tip number 4. Using time-saving shortcuts. Imagine zooming through tasks with just a few keystrokes. It's possible with the right shortcuts. On Windows, hit Windows plus D to quickly see your desktop or hide the current window. On Mac, press Command plus space to activate Spotlight search. It's like having your own personal assistant on your keyboard. And in any browser, press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to bring back a recently closed tab. No more scrambling. Tip number 5. Decluttering your digital life. Does your computer feel like a digital hoarder's den? Don't worry, it's time for a digital detox. First, organize those files, create folders to keep things tidy. Seriously, stop that nuclear launch option. Then delete what you don't need, keep your files organized, and only keep what you need. On mobile, use the Files app to scan for junk. This app is available on Android and iOS. It helps you find large, old, or duplicate files taking up space. And finally, uninstall unused apps. Those apps you don't use anymore are like digital squatters. Remove them. They're taking up space and could even slow down your device. To do this on Android, go to Settings Gives Apps. On iPhone, go to Settings Gives General Gives iPhone Storage. Now your device feels lighter and runs faster. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more tech tips tomorrow. See you next time.